Change app size and bigger text. First, what you'd like to do is hit settings. Then on the left hand side, scroll up till you see display and brightness. Tap that. Now here you got different features like appearance, light and dark. You could do true tone, night shift, either on or off, auto lock. I have it 2 minutes, lock, unlock, on. Now text size, click that. Right here you could adjust your text size. Moving it to the right makes it bigger, and then moving it back down to the left will make it smaller. So I have it in the middle for me. So I click back, and then bold text right here, you can click that on. See, it makes it, you can see the difference. Makes it a little bit brighter. And then display zoom. Down here I have it on standard, but if you look to the right, zoomed, you can see everything is just a little bit bigger. And to set this, I will have to reset. You go up here to the right, hit set like this, and then you got to restart your iPad. So if you want to do it, you could just follow these steps right here and restart your iPad, but I keep it on the standard. You could tell it's a little bit slightly bigger. Go back, I'll show you how you do this again. Let me get back out. Go to settings, then to the right, display and brightness. Right here are all your settings for that. Display and brightness. Text size, like I said, you can move left to right to make it bigger or smaller depending on how you like it and how your eyes view things. Bold text, you have it on or off. I like it on like that, it looks better. And then display zoom, either standard or zoomed to make it a little bit bigger. You click where you want, and then you go up to the right corner, hit set, and then of course you gotta reset your iPad. That was it for this video. Stay tuned for other videos coming up on iOS 15. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit the notification button so you know what videos are coming through on YouTube. Thank you, be safe, and God bless. Take care.